Morning student, welcome to the virtual classes of school Jet Kids. Okay, today I am going to start your new chapter, that is second chapter, our more about Excel. So today we have to study about Excel. What is Excel? How to perform works in Excel, that we have to see today. Excel. Now what is Excel? Excel is a wonderful aid for calculating and analyzing data. See, Excel is a spreadsheet. Okay, Excel is a spreadsheet. In Excel you can find out Excel in Microsoft Office. In Microsoft Office, you know, Microsoft Word is there, Microsoft PowerPoint is there, also Microsoft Excel is also present there. So in Excel we can make a spreadsheet. Spreadsheet means some cells, means it is just like a sheet. It is just like a sheet and you can do anything in that sheet. You can make pie chart, we can make pie chart, we can do any type of charts you can make there. And also you can perform subtraction, addition, any type of, if you want to do any type of calculation purpose, that is also possible in Excel. So Excel is very wonderful and for calculating and analyzing data. Okay, now today we will see our first topic, that is formulas. A formulas in Excel is an expression made up of data value. Is an expression made up of data value. It is not like just plus, minus and all. We have to use formula which is made up of data value, means some data is present in that. How? That we will see in our next slide. But before that, I want to recall some of the operators which we are using in math, and also we can use it in our Excel spreadsheet. Okay, which are the operators? The operators are, see, the operators are percentage operator, exponential operator, that is exponential operator, multiplication operator, division operator, addition operator and subtraction operator. These are the operators which we are using in Excel for formula purpose. Got it? If you want, note down all these formulas. Okay, next we will see functions. What is function? It is the predefined formulas used to perform some particular operations quickly. Okay, it is the predefined formula. Already this formula is predefined, means it is already present in your Excel sheet to perform some different type of operations, which is very easy for you, and quickly you can find out the answers. Okay, now what is first topic? Now what is first function? That is your sum. It is used add all numbers in a specified range of cell. Okay, I will show you how the cells and all, then only we will use sum. You know that addition, if so many numbers you can add. So example of sum is sum a1 is to a5. Now we will see the Excel sheet, how Excel sheet looks like. See, this is your Excel sheet. Already in our 6th standard I explained you about Excel sheet. What is Excel sheet, what is cell, where is the formula bar, all these things I explained you already in 6th standard. So now in this class I will explain you more about, means now Excel basic is over. We have to do more about the Excel sheet. We have to see this. See, save, file, all these things we have already seen. Got it? These are the cells. I will show you which is cell. These, all these boxes, they are the cell. This is the formula bar. All these things we have already seen our last year. Okay, now see, I have written something in C block. Okay, so what I have written: name, television, toaster, mobile, AC. These are the names of some devices or whatever the things you are going to buy, the some products. Okay, and name of the products, and what are the rate of the products are 25,000, 5,000, 32,000 and 45,000. all they are the rates of the televisions. Okay, it is their written product but it is rate, so it is written by mistakenly, so correct it that it is the rate. Okay, now after writing these, after writing all the rates, in the last block you have to write the sum. formula is equal to sum d2 to d6 means, see, this is your d2, this is your c means this is your d, and see, this is d and this is d3. So here you have to write d3. It is all again written sorry, by mistakenly d2, it is written d3 is to d6 means this up to this block, this is d3 is to d6, you have to write here properly, then it will give you the answer directly. Write this formula sum, you have to do the sum of all these numbers. So this is present in D block cell in C, here horizontally vertically d3 up to d6 you have to write down here in this formula. Whatever you are writing here formula, it is going here. See, this formula bar is present here, it is going there and we will get the calculation. Okay, next we will see now here you will get the answer, you will get the sum of all those numbers, you will get the sum of all those numbers which are written in that. See, D, in D line you have written d3 to d6 up, you will get the answer addition of all d3 from d3 to d6. Got it? Okay, now this is your for sum function. Same you have to see again for different types of function. Now which is the next function? Average. It is used to calculate the average, the number in the specified range of cells. Now what is average? You know what is average, it is already done in 6th standard in math also. Average means whatever the numbers you have, if 4 numbers are there, write all the 4 numbers, add it and divide by 4, that is your average. Okay, this is your example, a1 is to a5, this type you have to write, and before average formula is equal to sign also there, you have to write every time equal to average, a1 is to, I will show you in next slide. See here the same products are there, here you have to see here, one sec, here you have to write the formula, this formula average bracket a1 is to a5, that you have to write here in this block. When you will write equal to average d3 is to d6 bracket close, you will get the answer, means you will get the average of those numbers. Got it? You will get the average of those numbers. It's very easy, do it practically. I have already explained you Excel, you have to do practicals, otherwise it is not possible to understood each and everything. So now count whatever the numbers are present in that block from a1 to a4, you have to count the numbers, how many numbers are there, they are 3 or 4 or 2, that you have to see. It is used to count the number of cells in the specified range of cells. Okay, now see here, count. Here in this block you have to write down the formula for count. The answer is 4, 4 numbers are there, that's why answer came 4, equal to count d3 to d6 bracket close, you will get count that 4 numbers are present in that up to in those cells. Okay, this one is your today's topic. We have completed functions and 3 types of function I explained you. Next 2 functions remain, that you have to do it yourself. If then also you are not getting, in our next class I will explain you, but I hope that you are doing all practicals. You have to do these practicals. From today we are starting our practical chapter, that is also online, so you have to do these practicals very perfectly. You have to try these things. You have already explained in our 6th standard that all how to use Excel sheet, it is explained already, so you have to use it now. Okay, it is very useful, wonderful and very good aid for calculating purpose. Okay, so now this is your work, that you have to do this practice properly, and this type of sheet you will get. Okay, thank you so much for listening all these things. Thank you. Stay safe and stay home at your stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.